Good morning. I hope that everybody is having a great morning. This morning has been very relaxing, I would like to say, and it's been so sweet. The girls were both up before Caleb left for work, so they were able to see him, and they had some cereal. Let's see here. What else do we do? Oh, it's trash day. So Caleb went and took the trash out for us. He's such a sweetheart. But I just now got dressed. I'm in my room. I'm standing by my window to try to get more like natural light in. But I thought that I would take you guys along for our day this morning. I've already had my coffee. I've actually not drank all my coffee yet. Is that right? Drink. But I'm just putting some clothes on. Here lately I have really been enjoying like the all natural like look and things like that, so I try to incorporate that more into my life, just so people, you know, are aware of it. So just follow us along on our day. The girls will be getting a bath this morning and then probably homeschool, and then I would like to get these girls outside. They did not get outside yesterday. It's looking crummy outside. I was just outside earlier with Caleb, and I guess there's dew. I don't know if it's dew or if it rained, but well, the sidewalks look wet, so it probably rained. I'm just gonna take you guys along with me on today, and I hope you guys enjoy. I don't know how our room gets so dusty. It is absolutely nasty. It's not so much a mess, it's just dust. I am dusting our room and cleaning off my nightstands. So real life is this suitcase. I put all my stuff in bags, like my shampoo, conditioner, deodorant, hair supplies, anything you can think of. But I need to get this up and put it away. I told you guys a couple videos back that I was doing a different journey in life. I'm trying to regulate my hormones, and I was taking the 1-a-day women tablets. Well, I have not really been working out. For one, we have been gone on vacation. We went to go see family for almost 10 days. During those 10 days, I did not work out. I did not just drink water, which I don't just drink water here, but I drink more water here. I did not take my 1-a-day women's at all. I was so like off of my, I guess like habit, routine. I was off of my routine, and so sadly I have really neglected my, I guess, journey. I have neglected my journey to better hormones. So I'm going to be working harder on that. I'm going to start back with working out, drinking a lot of water. So yeah, I still want to update you guys and let you know how that goes. While I was taking my 1-a-day women's, and while I was working out and drinking a pretty good decent amount of water, I noticed a difference with my last period. It wasn't as long. It was maybe about 8 days, and it was not like as bad as it normally was or normally is. So yeah, I'm trying to get back on the 1-a-day women, the better hormone wagon, I guess you can say. So I'm gonna update you guys on that as soon as I can. Okay guys, so I think what I'm gonna do with this video is I'm just going to turn it into a morning of a stay-at-home mom, a slow living morning. I have a slow living video out already that I am collaborating with a friend named Abigail, and that video is already out. If you have not checked it out, I highly recommend doing so. So the girls got some of these e-writing boards for Christmas, and we have had something like them before. I know Hazel has. I think the battery ended up running out, but she had it for a long little while. She absolutely loved it. I would highly recommend getting these, especially if you are going like on a road trip or just to kind of keep them busy. But they are super fun. I don't know where, I can't remember which family member got them this for Christmas, but these work really good. It keeps them captivated, maybe for church. You just end up pressing the button down here and it takes it away. So I just thought that I would share that with you guys. It was really cool, something that I think some other moms could use. It helped them write, help them learn their numbers, help them draw, just use their creativity. It's awesome. I just want to say that every morning for a stay-at-home mom looks different. This morning was very different for us. We normally do not do bath time in the morning unless if it's Sunday and the girls really need like a bath before church. But yeah, every morning looks different for me. I'm sure every morning looks different for other stay-at-home moms. But I just wanted to share today with you guys, just to give you guys a little bit of insight on what it's like to be a stay-at-home mom and incorporate more of like a slow living type of lifestyle. We've done school, I did some cleaning, the girls took a bath. So yeah, it's almost lunchtime. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this little morning vlog, and if you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, become a part of my little YouTube community, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye y'all.